Did you know that the sun is the #1 cause of premature shingle aging? You can't see it happening, but UV radiation is damaging the asphalt shingles on your roof every single day. Watch this video to learn what it actually does to asphalt and what you can do about it. First, let's talk about what UV is and why your roof is a prime target for it. UV radiation is the high-energy component of sunlight you can't see, but that causes significant damage to materials over time. Your roof is the most exposed surface on your home. It has no shade, it's angled toward the sky, and it takes direct UV exposure for hours every day, more than any wall, window, or deck on the property. In Sunbelt climates and on south-facing roof sections, that exposure is even more intense. This can have a severe impact on expected shingle lifespan. Here's what's happening inside your shingles. Asphalt naturally contains petrochemical oils that keep it flexible and weather-resistant. UV radiation triggers a process called oxidation. It breaks down the molecular structure of the asphalt and drives those oils out of it. As the oils leave, the asphalt becomes harder and more brittle. Once that process starts, it accelerates. It's also worth noting that shingles manufactured in recent decades tend to use thinner asphalt coatings than older ones, which makes them more vulnerable to UV-related oil depletion than homeowners often expect. You can see the effects of UV damage if you know what to look for. Fading is the first sign. UV bleaches the shingle surface over time. It's cosmetic, but it tells you the exposure is ongoing. Granule loss comes next. As the asphalt hardens, granules release from the surface, and once they're gone, UV hits the asphalt directly. That creates a feedback loop that speeds up everything else. Surface cracking and curling are later stage signs. Cracking happens when oil-depleted asphalt can no longer flex with temperature changes. Curling happens when the top layer dries out faster than the base layer beneath it. You can slow the rate of UV damage with a few practical measures. Proper attic ventilation and ridge vents reduce heat buildup in the roof assembly, which moderates the temperature at which oxidation occurs. Strategic tree cover on the south and west sides of a home can meaningfully reduce direct UV load on those roof sections. These don't stop UV damage, but they affect how fast it accumulates. If you have an asphalt roof in suitable condition, treating your shingles with Roof Maxx can replenish the petrochemical oils that they have lost to UV radiation over time. Roof Maxx doesn't reverse visible granule loss or cracking that has already occurred. However, if your shingles are aging but still structurally intact, Roof Maxx can extend your roof's useful life by restoring their flexibility and durability. If you're in a high UV climate or your shingles are starting to show early signs of wear, don't wait for the damage to compound. Get a Roof Maxx evaluation to find out if restoration is still an option. Many homeowners use Roof Maxx to maintain their roofs and extend the lifespan of their asphalt shingles for years to come. Find a dealer near you at roofmaxx.com.